Welcome to my channel. This is Teen Talk with TT. Today we'll be talking about In Between the Sheets for episode 3. Over here it's all about safe sex, and if you don't have safe sex, then you should not be having sex at all. Learning points for today. We'll be talking about what is sex, describing how to practice safe sex, and also understanding all the consequences with having sex and understanding sexual transmitted diseases that comes from having sex. So you ask, what is sex? Sex is also called intercourse. It is when a man penetrates a female vagina to create a baby or for the sexual feeling. So before you dive into the vagina, are the important things you need to know before you do that. Having safe sex includes using a condom at all times, not sometimes or even the pull-out method, because that pull-out method, boys, do not work. 2, never ever let a female tell you she's on birth control. Like, still strap up. Birth control only protects you from babies sometimes, and it don't protect you from diseases though. 3, and I mean really listen to this one. Always ask, do you have the papers? Meaning that they have tested for all type of diseases, and make sure it is up to date, because this can be an old type of test. Some people will try to play you. So you ask, what are the 4 C's? It's consent, condoms, contraception, and communication. If y'all ain't got communication, why are y'all even doing the do anyway? Young man, y'all really need to follow this one. Always ask your partner, is it okay? Do you feel comfortable to have sex? And most importantly, when a woman say no, you instantly move back. Even if y'all gotta throw y'all hands up when they say no, so they can see that you are no longer touching them or not even trying to touch them. Condoms. You will always need to have a condom on you. Never ever have sex without one unless you really trying to make a baby. You always provide them and make sure they are up to date as well. Yes, they do have an expiration date. And don't let the female provide them condoms, because they could tamper with the condom, meaning putting a hole in the condom too, just to trap you. 3, contraception. She may be on birth control, but no matter what, you stay protective with that condom. Birth control does not protect diseases. It prevents a woman from getting pregnant. I promise you, y'all do not want to have a baby when y'all in high school. You don't, because it makes it more difficult to focus on graduating. Communication. Actively listen to your partner on how they are feeling. Make sure you get a verbal answer that it's okay. And pay attention to her body language. She can say yes, but her body's saying no. What happens when you don't strap up? There is a 90% chance she will get pregnant if you do not use condoms or birth control. You will get a STD, which is a sexual transmitted disease. Now, the STD normally happens when that other person is carrying it, but they also may not know that they have an STD, because sometimes it will not show up. What are STDs and STIs? STDs are a result of untreated STIs that progress to use noticeable symptoms, or health complications. STIs are infections caused by bacteria, viruses, or parasites that may not show symptoms. Now beware, they will show around your private parts, your anus, and your mouth. You will see sores, rashes, bumps, or blisters. Now that's what y'all really need to pay attention to. It may not have no symptoms, but you can still see the visual parts of somebody's body to know that something is going on. Type of STDs and STIs. Chlamydia. A common bacterial infection, often asymptomatic, but causes discharge and painful urination. Gonorrhea. A bacterial infection affecting genitals, rectum, or throat. HPV, which is the most common STI. Some types causes genital warts, while others can cause cancer. Then you have your genital herpes, which is a viral infection that causes painful blisters or sores. HIV or AIDS, which is a virus that attacks the immune system, leading to AIDS if untreated. Syphilis, a bacterial infection that can cause serious health problems if left untreated. And trich, a common parasitic infection caused genital inflammation.
Please stand by as I retrieve this slide.
Infections or STIs are quite common in young people and usually associated with not using condoms when having sex. It's very important that a young person be aware of this and be checked for sexually transmitted infections, in particular if they're not using condoms. Sexually transmitted infections sometimes have symptoms such as burning, itching, and discharge, but can occur without any symptoms at all. And that's why it's very important that several times a year, a young person who's sexually active get tested. Testing is through the urine, and it is very easy and painless. You should see a specialist in adolescent medicine.
Chlamydia. For the men, it's burning and pain, itching, swelling around your testicles, and also white, watery, cloudy discharge. Females is pain or burning when urinating, unusual vaginal discharge, bleeding when you're not on your period, and pain in your abdomen and pelvis and during sex. Now, most of these diseases have the same type of symptoms, except for gonorrhea, differently, it has the itchy throat, scratchy soreness, or trouble swallowing, or your anal. It'll be itchy or have discharge or pain when you poop. And I know y'all do not want to feel that. So again, it's best if y'all just really strap up instead of just doing anyone and everyone. Now with HPV, you will have literally warts, bumps, itchiness all over your body as you see the knees, your genitals, your ankles, arms, even all of your private areas, basically. Herpes will cause the same thing, except different. You will have your fevers, headaches, small blisters that break out and cause painful sores, itchiness, and also pain around your genital areas as well. HIV/AIDS, you will have muscle pain, you'll be hot, you'll have rashes, be nauseated, have unrapid weight loss. You will also have diarrhea, frequent infections, increased sweating, swollen lymph nodes, liver enlargement, and drowsiness. Syphilis symptoms is headache, skin ulcers, muscle pain, weakness, and fatigue. Now that's just the first stage. Second stage is rash, muscular damage, weight loss, and heat. Third stage is dementia and psychotic disorders, and you all see what else. Trich for girls will have gray yellowish vaginal discharge, bleeding, genital burning, genital swelling, a frequent urge to pee, and pain during sex. Trick for boys will have discharge from urethra, burning during or urination or ejaculation, and frequent urge to urinate. Now, if y'all have any questions, please come to Auntie TT. I will not judge. Remember, this is your safe space. If not anything else, Auntie TT time is the safe space. Now, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for me.